Just as a verbal disclaimer, I do not know what the fuck I am doing. Do not take advice from me. Today, I'm going to be attempting to heat treat my ECM for my 93 Corvette with the Lt1. This applies to the ECMs for 92 and 93. Obviously, if you've come across this video, you already know that these are hard to already find as it is. And not many people are rebuilding them anymore. So, my issue is that I've bypassed my vats. I've jumped my fuel pump, I've done my OptiSpark, I've everything. And I still have no injector pulse. I've tested all of these connectors. Connector D, I've been having some issues with. So in theory, how this is going to work is I've got my acetone to clean off the gel film that protects the cold solders, and then I'm going to clean it off with alcohol. Then I am going to resolder these guys. Then I'm going to clean it off again. I've got this soldering kit and this heat gun from Amazon. These little resistors, along with some flux. And what I'm going to do is take this flux and put it across these cold solder joints. Pretty much just coat the ECM both sides, clear out the aluminum foil, tuck it onto this bottom half of the ECM, and I'm going to heat treat this side of it first with the heat gun going across and over it for 5 minutes. In theory, that should remelt these cold solder joints and renew continuity throughout the board. And if you're watching this, you already know if I fuck this up, I'll be spending the next year searching for another ECM or carb swapping my intake. I'll keep you posted on the rest.